Welcome to the Car Barn YouTube channel. I'm Jonathan at the Car Barn, and today we're looking at this, the Caterham 7. So this is a Caterham 7, first registered in 1999. It's finished in silver with black interior. It's got the 1.6 8-valve Vauxhall engine, so really torquey engine. It's been upgraded with a big valve head to even more torque. So in a car that weighs just a few hundred kilos, it's got a great power to weight ratio. And you can really tell on the road. It was over 100 horsepower at the time, now it's been upgraded a bit further. This was an ex-Academy car. We've got lots of history with the vehicle as well, loads of old receipts and MOTs. Important though, this car is now 25 years old. So to our American friends who do watch this channel, I know you probably won't get a lot of the references to the wallarding and everything that we do here, but hopefully you'll understand now that this car can be exported to America, importantly. We've done the cam belt on this car and given it a good service, so now it's ready to go. 0 to 60 in just 6.2 seconds. So it's a brilliant road car. It's perfect for the little lanes that we have in this country. Obviously, if you want to take it on track, feel free. It's probably no stranger to the track over the years, so however you want to use it, it's a really good all-round car. So that's another video done in, as it were. I've been Jonathan at the Car Barn, which is basically in Beamish, and this has been the Caterham 7.